The snow moves out, the winter winds are on deck. That will set up a brutally cold weekend, and here we go again. Our possible next snowstorm is already in the 5-day forecast, and it could be the granddaddy of them all. The details coming up. Good Friday morning, everybody. Everything looks so nice outside since we saw snow move through. In Allentown, we picked up 4.4 inches. That's the official number out at the airport. That's what we have to go by. And I called for about 3 to 5 inches with this storm, so not too bad this go around. That snow's out of here, and now it's just going to be brutal for the weekend. Here's future wind chills. 5 o'clock this afternoon, it will be feeling like 7 degrees outside. Is that cold enough for you? Well, hopefully you don't have to be outside overnight. By early Saturday morning, it will be feeling like 1. And then during the day, Saturday, things get a little bit better. How about 6 degrees by around noontime in terms of the feel-like readings? That is, of course, when you take the temperature, you add in the wind, and 6 degrees is what it feels like on your exposed skin. Now, the next big weather story behind this brutal cold for the weekend is going to be already looking ahead to the next weather maker that could be headed our way. Here's the setup. Arctic high pressure will be centered over southern Canada there, and that is going to put the cold air in place for when this possible system could be moving up the coast. And because this high might slow this storm down, if it were to come up the coast, it would rapidly intensify and it would not move too quickly. So that's why we could be talking about a big-time storm. And most of the computer models are hinting at the potential for that Tuesday into Wednesday time period of next week. Future weather from AccuWeather, and I'll just show you one of the scenarios. By late Tuesday, you can see all eyes are to the south for that moisture gathering, and then overnight Tuesday, this computer model wants to bring this storm system up, and look at this major storm system. By Wednesday, we're talking about it would be snowing to beat the band. Wednesday evening, it still could be snowing according to this model, and then by Thursday, it would move out. That's one solution. Some of the other models hint similar to this. Others back off a bit on the storm and just bring a weak low pressure system through, but still would bring snow. So everybody is on board for snow in that Tuesday through Thursday time period. It's just now a question of how big could this storm get. As of now, we're just mentioning the chance of snow. As we go through the weekend, we'll begin to get a better grasp of what's going to be going on. In the near term, though, it is just brutally cold, mainly clear for your night tonight, and it will be breezy. 6 to 10 will do it on the low side, but with northwest winds at 10 to 20, real field temperatures will be put around 0, of course, as I showed you on future wind chills. For Saturday, going to be seeing some sunshine during the day for sure, but a cold one, 17 to 20 on the high side, and with wind chills in the single digits. And on the exclusive BP Weather 5-day forecast, it stays frigid for the next 3 days. Sunday, the high will be 20. The overnight low Sunday will be below 0, -1. So starting off cold Monday, finishing only at 18. And then temperatures moderate for Tuesday and Wednesday, but we bring in the threat of snow. So this active pattern continues. That's your forecast for today. I'll try and see you tomorrow morning.